This video will show you how to assess whether your residuals are normal, or is the normality of residual assumption met. In order to assess this assumption, I need to run my linear regression model. I go to Analyze, Regression, Linear. I will reset. I will put up right-click and display variable name so it's easier for me to find my variables. I'll put my dependent variable, which in this case is follow-up grades in the dependent variable field. I'll put student male, base year grades centered, and the interaction term into the independent field. And I will go to plots. I will put z resid in the y field and z pred in the x field. And I also will click the histogram button for standardized residual plots. Click continue, click paste, and my syntax, find my syntax, not my output. Run my latest syntax generated. And I will scroll down to my charts. We have my residual plot, which we discussed in a previous video to assess the linearity assumption. And we also have my histogram of my residuals. Here we have a lovely, perfect bell curve overlaid on the real histogram of my residuals. What I'm looking for are for very large departures from normality. In this case, my histogram is not completely normal. I have a bit of a spike here that you don't see in the perfect world bell curve. Nevertheless, it is fairly close to normality. Therefore, I will say that my assumption of normality is met for this case.